Adobe Effects 101, Adobe After Effects 7.0 free download. Adobe After Effects is a powerful video compositing and motion graphics software used by professionals in film, TV, and web video production. Here's a detailed look at Adobe After Effects: features, motion graphics, create dynamic text and graphic animations. 3D animations, design 3D animations in a true 3D workspace within After Effects. Visual effects, wide selection of built-in effects to create stunning visuals. Cons: learning curve, it has a steep learning curve for beginners. Subscription model, only available through a monthly or annual subscription. Known issues and fixes: performance, some users report slow performance, which can be improved by ensuring your system meets the recommended specifications. Syncing issues, problems with syncing can often be resolved by checking network connections and ensuring the latest software updates are installed. Advanced tips: customization, customize the interface to suit your workflow for efficiency. Keyboard shortcuts, use keyboard shortcuts to speed up the editing process. Alternatives: HitFilm Pro, offers editing and VFX in one streamlined app. Blender, a free and open source 3D creation suite with motion graphics capabilities. Blackmagic Fusion, best for broadcast graphics and visual effects. Cost: individual plan, Adobe After Effects is available at $20.99/month as a single app. Creative Cloud All Apps, includes After Effects and other Adobe apps at $52.99/month. Adobe After Effects is a comprehensive tool for anyone looking to create high-quality visual effects and motion graphics. While it offers a wide range of features, it's important to consider the subscription cost and the learning curve when deciding if it's the right tool for your needs.